Morning, magandang umaga from the Philippines. Today is going to be a short GoPro video. I got this package in the mail today. These are USANA vitamins. One of the best vitamins or health supplements out there, if not the best health supplements. I'm going to send you a link to my business page at the bottom of this description of the video. I've been taking them for a couple of months now. I'm also an associate, so I'm like a distributor. So I'm heading out today to see my tita to bring her the vitamins. Just got here at Market. And look for my tita. She's inside right now. So this is Market. There's a lot of stalls here from different regions in the Philippines. Like we have Boracay here. We got Pangasinan. I got Cebu, Bulacan, Pampanga over there, Baguio. That's the market with a big tree. And we're heading there to see my tita. Hello! I'm with my auntie. We're in Market.
Yeah, we will get a fun game.
So she's gonna show me around Market because she's always at Market.
Yes, this is my home.
Yes, look at
My
that.
home for gala.
It's a big mall. Tapos sa labas merong mga ano from different provinces.
Yeah.
Mga ano tawag doon? Mga food or specialty. Okay, so we're gonna walk around. She's gonna show me around, and she's got some.
I have my
Hopia.
for nanay.
And I got her vitamins. Show you later.
Ito. The part na to.
Okay, so this is the ano tawag dito? This is the
Stage of the market.
this is the entertainment area where they have concerts sometimes.
Yeah.
There. Nothing's going on right now, so there's no concert, but I'll
There's
show you
no
the
people around.
I'll show you
Very cute.
I'll show you the place. I got some palm trees over there. Okay, the Metro department store. Later on we'll probably go out and it stops raining.
Sabi ni
Tan
nanay.
tan tan. So we're gonna eat here at the pancake house.
Look at that though, there are food down here. Sarap.
We're gonna have brunch, breakfast and lunch. Pancake house.
Wala naman tong soup.
Okay, Auntie, I got your USANA vitamins.
May vitamins.
Okay, we got essentials, minerals, and vitamins. Ito yung Procosa. This is for the joints. Ito yung para kay Giselle.
Wala,
Okay, my tita. We have the hopia from Tipas.
Tipas.
Okay, so Tipas is in Taguig, right?
Yeah.
So this is originally from Taguig.
Ubi and
Tipas hopia. Okay, I love ube.
Ubi.
Okay. All right, thank you, Auntie. Okay, this is brunch. Auntie, what are you having?
Ano ba to?
Ano ba yan? Taco?
Ano ba to kanina?
Sabi mo, ino-order mo palagi.
Pero hindi ko alam pangalan.
Ay, may taco siya, di ba? May taco siya.
Taco, chicken, and spaghetti.
Then I'm having Salisbury with corn and vegetables. This is my mom's favorite. Choke nut. Got it from SM. It's always out of stock, but we got it finally. Ta-da! We're having coffee. We're having coffee and iced coffee at McDonald's.
Cake
We still wanted to walk outside, but it's still raining, so we just decided to just check out the other areas around Market before heading home. Anyway, if you're around BGC, I would recommend check out Market. There's a lot of stuff that you can, check out, and it's not just a mall, but there's a lot of different stalls outside, different specialty shops from different areas in the Philippines. So it's a nice place to visit.